are thankful for veterans because of this poem I wrote. Each day is rough, but you go through it. You fight all over the world, and I just wanted to say a word. How thankful I am for veterans.
So we're here today at MacArthur Elementary School for Veterans Day celebration, and we have some of our veterans here with us today. And we have
Sergeant Deke Surrey.
Sergeant First Class Robert Shaw.
I would like to thank all of our wonderful veterans on Veterans Day, and thank you for the services that you have done for our country, and from the Green Bay Area Public Schools, from our Board of Education, our families, and our students. Thank you from the bottom, middle, and top of our hearts.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.